Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another one. Today, it's an afternoon goose hunt. Hopefully everything turns out the way it's supposed to anyway. But today, instead of the truck, we're gonna be stealing the delivery van and throwing everything in here. I didn't feel like trying to figure out how to strap everything down on the bed of the truck, so we're gonna live on the wild side. Man, if this thing was four-wheel drive, that'd be awesome. I don't know if you guys can see back there or not, but I got my A-frame. I've got a bunch of dive bombs. I actually really need to remember what I got. I think I'm bringing along 20 dozen snow silos, 5 dozen snow socks, 5 dozen of the V2 FFs, 5 dozen of the V2 Specks, 15 dozen of the V2 Fs, and 5 dozen Canada socks. I think that's what I brought with me. Something along those lines. But yeah, I'm excited. The feed that we're hunting has probably 2 to 3K. It's a mixed flock, snows and Canadas. They've been feeding in the evening here. This morning, the birds flew all over the place, but not to that field. But they have just been pretty much in the evening. So that's what we're kind of banking on, hoping that it works out great. It's gonna be a bit of a side shoot. I think we're gonna have 10 guys, something like that. But we're looking to have a good time. So hopefully everything works out the way we have it mapped up and we be safe. But before we get to the field, we wanna give a big shout out to today's sponsor, Dive Bomb Industries. Actually, I need to shed this mid layer that they have because I just got the underlayer because they finally came back in stock and I'm super excited about it. As soon as they hit, I think within an hour or something like that, went ahead and snatched one up. They're silly warm. Normally I could wear this mid layer and be pretty well comfortable. You know, treat it kind of like you would a hoodie where you just sort of wear it all the time. And it's just, you know, if it gets warm, you just sort of open it up and go on. With the underlayer, I'm starting to sweat. So anyway, you guys can go check that stuff out. The dry line bags. Actually, let me just talk to you when I'm not driving because this seems a little unsafe. So hold on. There we go. I got all sorts of stuff in here, but got all my dive bomb decoys up there. But what I really want to show you is this dive bomb blind bag. Now, a lot of you guys have probably seen this before. Keep all my tags and stuff in there, you know, licenses and whatnot. Then in here, I've got all my camera stuff and my new favorite thing. It's a shell bag. I had never used a shell bag before. I don't know what in the world I was thinking. These things, they're so nice. They're waterproof because you can roll them up like that, cinch them down. I got about 1.5 boxes in there right now. Think you could probably fit 2 boxes if you really wanted to, but a box, super easy, and you can make that waterproof. I got another one for snacks that I forgot to bring. Apparently I'm even less prepared for afternoon hunts, but yeah. So if you guys want to get some absolutely awesome dryline equipment, you guys really should check out Dive Bomb. I didn't bring my gun case today. I should have. Completely waterproof also. Nicest gun case I've ever used. I just forgot to throw the gun in it on my way out here. Feel kind of bad about that. But they've got a backpack, which I absolutely love. They have a big old duffel bag. If you travel and you want to, you know, keep all your stuff dry, that thing is awesome. They've got a whole line of stuff. You need to go check them out. Anyway, links in the description below. Go get yourself decoys. You guys really need to go get yourself some of this dive bomb gear. It is wonderful. They should have a shell coming out before too long also. But yeah, anyway, go check them out. Decoys, dryline stuff, gear. You guys are gonna like it. I got some packing to do and get everything set up. They're gonna see us already, so hold on just a second. Hopefully they don't look straight down like they're going to. Yeah, specs are in. Ducks are closed, everything else is open. They're coming right in. You want to stay high? Get down here. Holy shball. Nice. That's good. We're not skunked, that's a good thing. Okay, just ran this guy down. This guy is similar to a bird that I want to get mounted. So you guys know I get my hybrid mounted. I want a good, you know, big old Aleutian ring on one. Big old fluffy head. He's got a very fluffy head, but yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Now, if I can just find that bird. Anyway, hopefully get more here soon. I might want to reload.
That might be good, Jordan.
You know what? I think down on the bottom I got some heavy metal. Hey! Gotta love the... Ooh, yeah. Okay. One. Ooh, that was the third one already. Aw. There we go.
Heavy metals. I've been pretty happy with these BDXs.
Yeah?
The BXVs.
All right, they're looking pretty good. Boy, that sounds terrible. All right, we got some coming straight over the top. Those pintails are back. Oh my goodness, they're pretty.
Oh, I want that so bad.
There we go, lock them up. That's a lot of specks, Tristan. We're gonna rain some specks. Yeah! Get them specks! Woo! That's what's up. That was awesome. There's some good barred up ones in there. I'm excited to see those.
Sailor,
Reload!
that sailor I shot the acid out of.
Man, me too.
I was like,
Oh, that one's still kind of close.
yeah, I know. I said the same thing. I was like, hey, he's kind of, okay. A long way out there.
Oh, Boone just gotta pick him up. Go, boy, Boone. Bring me some barred ones. Go, boy. Here. Oh, that's a good tar belly, buddy. Oh, that's a dark one there. That's cool. Got another one there. You going after that far one? Here you go, Boone. Bring that one here. There's a lot of good bars in that group.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, I should have another one up in here. Bird's getting up over there. All right. This one a juvie. Nope. Good bars. Oh, gotta love that. Little freckled giggle chicken. That one wing's hiding its whole belly though. There it is. Dalmatian.
Peekaboo.
Apologies in advance. I seem to have lost my wind sock. So it's probably gonna be a little bit windy. Anyway, there's more birds coming. Let's take a look. There we go. This branch got in my way. Nice. Good shooting. All right. Guns on safe, reload. I can only shoot one. You dirty, rotten sacks of excrement. Oh, that's a good line. All right, there's big shadows in the spread, which are probably not gonna help us at all, but we'll see what happens here. There's a big bird in there.
Should we try it?
Everyone looked at the big one and was like, that one must die!
Yeah, it's still
Snows are up. We got one to come in close enough through the shadows, that's good. A little bit of a poke though. Not ideal, but hey, we'll get it. Alright, hold on just a little bit. Okay, we get to finish with a bang. That's a good way to end her up. Woo!
Shoot.
Look at all these double tapping on the way down.
It's a little guy. Get out of here, Bone.
Boy, that is a tiny bird compared to a honk. Look at that. Boone, you're not gonna eat these. Look at that. That's cool. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead, get everything packed up, and show you the damage. Well, of course, you know, we're picking up. Shooting light's gone. There have been, let's see, you guys can't see, but there's 4 pack of honks, a pair of them. Here's another, what, 8 pack, 7? But we got a few honkers. We got a few lessers. We got a little bitty guy, him. And some beautiful specks. I mean, look at the tar belly on that guy. And lots of freckles. And some that aren't quite so much. Beautiful. Well, we're already kind of started picking up, of course, but I thought, you know what, I forgot to show you guys. So we got a whole bunch of fully flocks down there. Sort of drug it up here and then sort of ballooned it up in front of where we wanted to be. Trying to drag him off in front of our little brush hide there. So we got the black and whites where we really want them to concentrate, because these dive bomb black and whites are the bomb. Put them in your kill hole. Didn't get into the white birds. They actually started to feed over in the next field. But we only put out 15 dozen of the silhouettes and 5 dozen of socks. So we just put those up here at the front, give us some visibility if nothing else. So yeah, there was that. I actually should probably participate in the picking up of everything. So gonna get that done, and I'll talk to you guys here after a bit. Well, I just got done editing that video and am gonna go ahead and close it out now. But that was a fun one. The birds did not behave near as well as what we had hoped, but they did come out to play. The field that they had been in that morning, there was someone actually hunting it that evening, and that bumped a lot more birds our way than what we had initially kind of planned on coming out. But they lunch lined us pretty hard and went straight over to that white feed most of the time. But once the shadows kicked out, obviously we had some of those bigger birds come in and play, which I was very grateful for, because it's always fun to, end on a good note like that. But anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, you need to go check out Dive Bomb. Really, go do it. Awesome products. Their decoys go up super easy. They come down super easy. Obviously, they're effective. And yeah, make sure you go get some of the dry line bags, because those bags are awesome. That, and if you guys have a chance to get some of their Dive Bomb gear, the base layer, I kept calling it, what did I keep calling it? An underlayer, something like that. It's a base layer. It's wool. It is silly warm, especially when you pair it up with a mid layer. Love that combo. That's probably what I'll wear pretty much all the time when it comes to cold weather around here. But anyway, if you guys like it, go check out Dive Bomb. Give them some love. They help me out a ton. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be able to do all the things that I do. So, really appreciate it if you guys go check them out. But anyway, if you guys like the video, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and whether you guys do or don't, I hope to see you on the next one.